So I want to show off the legs that we built for these solar panels. This is the first time we set up the 1800 watt portable solar panel array for our RV project. Designed a pretty neat stainless steel folding leg that lets us transport them and set them up pretty quickly. Okay, so to put these away, all we do is pick up the wires, we wrap them around this leg once, like this, tuck both ends into the corner, and now the leg comes out of the hole that it's in, and it slides down to the next hole, and now it locks into the bottom frame. And we can pick it up, we can turn it upside down, we can carry it, and we can slide it into the roof rack on top of the Jeep. No problem. To set it back up, all we have to do is move the leg again, or we're going to move it into the first set of holes. Now it'll unfold. Yeah. All right, back up. Okay, so now it'll unfold again. We just set it down, and we're free to hook up our wiring. For wind resistance, it's pretty simple. All we do is find something heavy, like a rock, set it down on the leg, and now they won't blow away.